Thank you for watching this video. This will be a tutorial on how to get your Gmail email messages into Windows and being able to open them with PSTViewer Pro or MailDex. So if you head on over to our blog section, you will find that we have several articles. One of them, actually two of them, being how to back up your Gmail email messages to your PC. There's a part 1 and there's a part 2. So instead of just reading this over, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process of doing this manually. So first, you open your Gmail account. Under your Gmail account, make sure that you have your messages. Then you head on over to Takeout, Google Takeout. If you are unable to find this, just type in Google Takeout on your browser and it should take you here. And it gives you an option to export everything from your Gmail account. We're gonna deselect all, as all we want is the email messages, and we're gonna go to the Gmail section, to the mail section, I'm sorry. So put a checkbox on it and it should ask you multiple formats, all mail data included. So we're gonna click on all mail data, include all messages in mail, and it gives you an option to check boxes. We want to make sure that we have promotions, so everything is selected right now, so press OK and then click on multiple formats, and here it gives you two options, Mbox files and JSON. We are going to select the Mbox format. And then we head on over to the next step. It should give you a delivery method: send download link by email, export once, file type a zip file, and let's put a 10 gigabyte file size limit. So we click on create report and everything is done. All you need to do is wait until you get the notification on your email address. Once you get the notification on your email address, you will have a link. So we are going to check our inbox, and again, depending on the size of your email on Gmail, it could take a long time. It could take 24 hours. So we'll come back once we have the link. Great. So once we have our email from the export, we open it and we get a link to download your file. So we click on that link, you enter your account password just to verify it. You click on next and here it will download the file. So we can go to open folder and it will be on a zip file. So we right click, extract all, and extract. So now we should have a folder with the files that we need. So here's an HTML file and all the email is on a Mbox file. So to get that Mbox file to MailDex, we open MailDex. We already have a folder here for a project. We're gonna click on add file. We are going to locate the downloads folder, the takeout, again the takeout, the mail, and here's the Mbox file. Once we select it, it is going to index it, and once it is finished indexing this file, it should display all the messages within this file. So we have 28 emails on this file that we can work with. And from here you can select emails and export them into different formats. So you can archive them, you can select to export them to PDF, to HTML, to images. Now to view the files or to view the content, you can arrange MailDex under the view to rotate the layout, and it will put the mail right here on the right hand side. You should be able to read it like so. Now we are going to close MailDex. We can close or minimize this now since we already have the file, and we are going to open PSTViewer Pro. PSTViewer Pro has the same capabilities to open Mbox files from Gmail, and we just need to use the navigation on the left hand side to locate the file. So it should be under the takeout folder, mail, and here it is. And it should read the same 28 emails that we have with MailDex. The same way you can rotate the view so you can view the messages on the right hand side. And again, you can print, you can export, and you can convert to PDF all of these emails using our software. Thank you so much for your time. You can get a free trial from both of our products at Encryptomatic.com.